Prepping, cooking, and serving are usually carried out by different utensils, but today we're going to do what others can't with Besavita. It's made of food-grade silicone, acid and alkaline resistant, toxin-free and recyclable. Besavita contains ionic silver particles, effectively suppressing 99.99% of bacterial growth. It can endure as low as -22 degrees, easily stackable so you can store all your meals ready in one place. It's a cookware and utensil, a tableware. It's also heat resistant enough to be used in an oven up to 392 degrees. The thickened wall provides better heat insulation. It's safe to hold with just bare hands, even after a couple minutes of microwaving. Besavita can take on any kitchen roll you throw at it. The material is free of BPA, BPS, lead, and other harmful chemicals, with a wide color spectrum ranging from low-key to eye-poppin'. It's perfectly presentable on any table settings. Invite your friends over and get the party started. Anti-static coating prevents dust and debris from sticking. The ergonomic curve fits in your palm like it's meant to be there. It's everything you ever want in a container. It is Besavita.
Steamer to go? Do you love independence, fresh food, and free time? With Steezy, we developed the first smart and portable steamer. Steezy is really simple to handle. Due to our double sealing system, Steezy is transportable in every position. Steezy uses steaming technology that saves the nutrients and keeps the best food taste. Thanks to the integrated battery, you can steam your food wherever you want. Container and cover are dishwasher safe. Steaming while working because no odor or steam escapes. Steezy is smart, so you can program Steezy and it will be ready whenever you want. Also, Chris is totally free where he wants to heat his meal, and Steezy starts autonomously during his training. Do you love to wait in a queue? We neither, and with Steezy, you will never wait again to heat up your food, because Steezy is already ready.